Hello, friends. Hope you are doing well, enjoying with your family and friends, and enjoying your time. This is Rajshri welcoming you all to my another blog. Hope all of you are doing fine. So this is the my carnival blog which I have attended in Uruguay, and when it happens, how to know and how to take the tickets. All these things I'm going to cover for all of you in this blog. Basically, carnival happens in Uruguay mostly in the end of the January till March, starting at the first week of the March. If you can Google it, you will find it like it is the longest carnival in the world. It is saying as longest. Reason behind it is it takes more than 40 days to go for this carnival and to share all the varieties of the culture and different ways of the. Basically you can see here like the talent, I can say, in these 40 days across the country, different places the carnival occurs. So how you need to know about it, you can get the details in the Google. Once the carnival time will start by January, you can find out the schedule in which places it is occurring. So this is the 18th de Julio where the carnival inauguration was starting, and this is for the first time for us to go visit there and to see experience. So how to go, you can take the public transport all over the places it is available. You can go by seeing the schedule where it is occurring, and to see in free. You no need to do anything, you just need to take the public transport, get down at the right place, and all those things you can check through the Moveit application. And this is the public buses which will take you near to the carnival place, and once you will get down, you will see before, if the before carnival starts, if you are reaching down, then you can see the preparation like this way how we have seen. And people were so excited, and they were awaiting for their favorite people to come and to show their talent. And in two sides they will put the barricade so not to disturb the for the talent performances. You can see it in different culture, different varieties, different type of dances. You can see, like, this is kind of a tango dance. I'm not very much expert to comment about that, but I understood. So different groups will come and participate here. That starts around 8 p.m. Uruguayan time, and it goes till 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. for the inauguration day. It was the very longest time, but for the other days it will go till 12 a.m. Mostly 3 hours it occurs. And as you can see, the chairs are available there, and I will be talking about it little later. Meantime, you can enjoy by seeing the carnivals. This one of the presentation which was super duper, I can say, nice. And you can see very different varieties of clothings and attires people were wearing, and people were enjoying in both of the sides. So yeah, coming to the chairs, as you can see, couple of the people are sitting down on the yeah, and this lady who is checking the tickets. So this is for the people who are taking the tickets to get into the carnival and to sit and relax and to enjoy it. Those who are not having tickets, they cannot afford the seat, they have to stand there. So how to get the ticket in, there is Abitab is here. In couple of my videos I have also shared about it. So that is a place here. If you will Google it, then you will find Abitab. There you will be seeing the tickets. You can book the tickets, and based on that you will get the seat. And the attendance, basically those assistants people will assist you how to sit down. And once you are sitting down, then you are all set to see the carnivals. And as you can see, in the inauguration day, there are lots of fun. There were lots of enjoyments. Yuan was, they were giving this lightning to all the people. Yuan was playing very happily. He got a very short time friends there. And you will enjoy the different varieties of dances, bands, and music. And attires. So basically many things you will be going to see here, and many things you are going to enjoy here. So if any further questions, I'm happy to take it up in the comment section. Hope you will enjoy it, and you will enjoy the rest of the videos. Let's Musics are so nice. Unfortunately, due to the copyrights, I'm not able to play the sounds, but those were really nice. Maybe you will be seeing the dances, and hopefully, you will be enjoying by seeing it. And if you need with music, maybe you can see my Instagram pages, and which typing it here, so that you can go there and can see the all the videos with the musics. Many more videos are also there which I have not posted here. To see more videos and to enjoy more, do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to make me encourage, and don't forget to give your love and support for subscribing and liking it. Thank you so much.